Hello friends, in this video we will see solving some problems related to the logarithm. Okay, now let's find the value of okay log x base y into log y base z into log z base x. Okay, now find the value of log x base y into log y base z into log z base x. So we have seen the properties of logarithm that log a base b can also be written as log a by log b, and we have to use some constant as a base to both the logarithm. So here I am using some constant c and here I am using some constant c as a base. So this one. So yeah, log a base b can also be written as like this. So we apply the same rule in this given value. So that means log x base y can be written as log x base a by log y base a. Okay, so we apply the same rule, substitute the values in this equation. Okay, then the given value is going to be log x base a by log y base a into log y base a by log z base a into log z base a by log x base a. So log x base a, log x base a is cancelled. Log y base a, log y base a is cancelled. Log z base a is cancelled. So this is going to be equal to 1. So the value of log x base y, log y base z, log z base x is going to be 1. Okay. Okay, let's see another problem. If log a by b minus c equivalent to log b by c minus a is equivalent to log c by a minus b, then find the value of a to the power of a into b to the power of b into c to the power of c. Okay, if log a by b minus c is equal to log b by c minus a is equal to log c by a minus b, then find the value of a to the power of a, b to the power of b and c to the power of c. Okay, so then log a by b minus c, log b by c minus a is equal to log c by a minus b is equal, let us assume, is equivalent to k, is equivalent to k. So then the value of log a is equal to k into b minus c, and then the value of log b is equal to k into c minus a. So in the same manner, so the log c is equal to k into a minus b. Okay, we have these values. So now we have to find the value of a to the power of a, b to the power of b and c to the power of c. So let us assume x is equal to a to the power of a, b to the power of b and c to the power of c. So now apply log on both sides. So then log x is equal, then log of a to the power of a into b to the power of b into c to the power of c. So whenever there is a multiplication is there, when we are writing a separate, then we have to writing it as a separate log a to the power of a, log a to the power of b, log a to the power of c. So we have to use addition. Okay, we have to use addition using this formula log m into n equivalent to log of m plus log of n. Okay, using this formula we are applying same formula here. So this one is going to be equal to log a to the power of a plus log b to the power of b to the power of b plus log c to the power of c. Okay, So whenever a to the power of a, this power is going to be moved here. So this b is going to be moved here, and this c will move here. So where a of log a plus b of log b plus b of log b plus c of log c. Already we have log a, log b, log c values here. Log a value is k into b minus c. Log b is equal to k into c minus b. On that c is equal to k. So when we substitute these values here, so we will get the value of 0. So that means log x. That means log x value is equivalent to 0. Log x value is equivalent to 0. So the 0 value in the log is equivalent to log x is equal to log 1 because log 1 value is 0. So that means the x is equal to 1. So that means x is equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, we assume that x is equal to a to the power of a into b to the power of b into c to the power of c. So that means the value of a to the power of a and b to the power of b and c to the power of c is going to be 1. So I hope you got this one. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel.